Nakajingmi kijing yakran hakabaya day bagajing Pynïasoh ubab Meral Bonds MLA ka United Democratic Party UDP na Nongpoh constituency syaka National People's Party NPP shwa ka election MLA arja arpupra nakalyang new MLA ulo Jubab bagapor kan sa Batai. Habakran sikilat patay Khubor hakan no phai sngi jong Henry trik yong arja arpunriu ubab Meral Bonds ulo ong bayamanta udang day u MLA ka UDP badhabaya day bagajing Pynïasoh jong u bad ka NPP ka syong hakipaj ba kibala Punjab dan buram yo hak election MLA arjar arpulai.
I will tell you frankly, I am the legislator in which the people of Nongpoh has reposed faith and confidence in 2018 as well as in 2023. As much as I can, I have tried to perform. I'm not saying that I have performed 100%. Even me, I'm a human being. But as much as I can, I have tried to perform. Now when it comes about 2028, time will tell. And most importantly is the electorate of Nongpoh constituency who will give me hint what shall I do. I hope you understand.
No.
The peoples have the power, the leaders, the people of my constituent, based on their support, based on the feedback, I can give you a categorical response on this. But right now, I am a member of the United Democratic Party. I represent this party in the Legislative Assembly. I won on this ticket in 2023. I am so thankful for that. There is no turning back on that. But 2028, what will happen, that time will tell. See, I have told you in my opening remark, time will tell. Me also, I am doing all-round exercise about what mandate people will be given. And based on the dream and aspiration of the electorate, we have to take a decision based on that only, in due course of time.
Habatin, pej bahaki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka khia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya